If you have been searching for a luxury apartment in Ghaziabad, in Siddharth Vihar or Rajnagar Extension, Indrapuram, then stop scrolling because I have a great luxury project for you. And this is Jade County by County Group. Hello, welcome, namaskar. You are watching House Edge Consulting, and this is your host and host Khushi. And today we will be talking about a luxury project, Jade County by County Group in Wave City, Ghaziabad, that is trying to redefine luxury in Ghaziabad. Yes, and I say this because this project is not just giving you another clubhouse, another swimming pool, or another glass facade, but by completely changing how the township is planned. And after studying this project, the builder's track record and the location, the master planning, I genuinely think this deserves your attention. But does that mean everyone should buy it? Let's find out. Before we start talking about this luxury project, we have one big question to cover. Is the builder worth it? Does it deliver on time? Because execution is expensive. Well, County Group has several years of experience in Delhi NCR with its residential projects like Ivy County, Clio County, Orange County, Cherry County, and Jade County is positioned as their flagship luxury development in Wave City. County Group has acquired 13.3 acres land parcel here in Wave City for around 400 crore and announced an overall investment of nearly 1800 crore for this development, indicating long-term commitment rather than a small speculative launch. That does not mean guaranteed perfection, but it does tell you that the developer is making a serious capital commitment. And while many buyers still ask this question that why should I invest in Wave City rather than in Noida Extension or anywhere else in Ghaziabad? Well, let me tell you why. Because Wave City isn't just another society. It's a 4,200-acre integrated township. That matters. Because in standalone developments, everything outside your gate depends on municipal authorities. Inside a township, roads, landscaping, utilities and planning are coordinated at the township level. Wave City is also known as its smart city infrastructure such as underground utilities and integrated planning with development continuing across the township. And luxury is not just about your apartment, it begins the moment you enter the space. Well, Jade County sits at Sector 8 of Wave City, and this is nearby NH24, that is the Delhi-Meerut Expressway, and from here you can get 25 minutes of drive to Akshardham, 15 minutes to Noida Sector 63, 10 minutes to railway station, 15 minutes to metro, around 35 minutes to Hindon Airport and around 30 to 40 minutes to Jewar Airport. Depending on the route and traffic for professionals working in Noida, East Delhi and Ghaziabad, the commute is practical and infrastructure is only improving around this corridor. And well, now let's talk about the project details of Jade County. Well, the development here is of 13.3 acres of land parcel, 9 towers, approximately 30 floors of height, 1014 residences. But what excites me the most is the USP here. That is, your home starts with 21 feet above the ground. That means usually luxury societies have roads, parking, cars, children playing, everything mixed together. Jade County separates them. The entire ground level is reserved for gardens, walking trails, water bodies, amenity spaces and landscaping. No internal vehicle movement, no parking clutter. Golf carts move residents around the project instead. This is something you generally expect in far more expensive developments.
Well, the ground level is dedicated entirely to outdoor leisure, including a sprawling central green spine, walking trails, yoga and meditation decks, a pet park, amphitheater and internal golf cart transportation network. Anchoring the community is Club Aquis, a 55,000 square feet central lifestyle boasting a signature 7-level cascading pool, a temperature-controlled indoor half-Olympic pool, a spa wellness center, a gym, and various indoor sports courts. Standing out as the development's crown jewel, the flagship Tower A features 2 units per floor and offers its own exclusive roof-level sky clubhouse, equipped with a private rooftop infinity pool, panoramic lounges and elevated social spaces tailored specifically for its signature 5 BHK residence.
Well, every tower has 4 residences per floor with 4 high-speed elevators, and Tower A has 2 units per floor with 4 high-speed elevators. And let's talk about the configurations now. There are 3, 4 and 5 BHK configurations available at this project, but we are going to cover 3 and 4 BHK. Well, the 3 BHK plus 3 toilet plus utility space covers 2358 square feet of area. 4 BHK has 2898 square feet, that is 4 BHK plus 4 washrooms, and then there's another 4 BHK variant which is 3555 square feet area. Now we are going to cover the sample flat for you, the virtual tour of it. Let's go. And guys, this is our sample flat of 3555 square feet, 4 BHK plus 4 washrooms plus utility space. Right on my right is the servant quarter that comes along with this variant, and this is the entrance. As you can see, this is grand, and let's head towards the sample flat and see what's inside. Well, the foyer is also grand. Lovely space. This is the living room, as you can see, has an attached balcony with it, and right here is our dining space. It also comes with a little space right here which you can convert into a bar counter or anything like that. This space also comes here which you can convert into a puja space. Right at your back is the kitchen, a modular kitchen which comes with everything that you can see but not the electrical items. And if you go for the 5 BHK, the electrical items are included. The kitchen comes with the utility space as well. It has a lot of space right here. Let's head towards the first bedroom. Well, the first bedroom is the guest room. This is the common washroom that comes along with it. This is the guest room. The first bedroom also comes along with the first bathroom. Now let's head towards the second bedroom in this beautiful sample flat. Well, as you can see, this aisle beautifully curated and has enough space for your house. This is the second bedroom, also the second master bedroom. It comes along with a walk-in wardrobe and a washroom and has a beautiful running balcony with it. I will show you the balcony. It is superb. It will have beautiful scenic views for you in this flat. Let's head towards the third bedroom. Well, this is going to be your beautiful third bedroom. Also comes along with walk-in wardrobe and bathroom and has the attached balcony. It's not an attached balcony, it's a running balcony. It is very beautiful and I'm waiting for you to see that. But before that, we have this beautifully curated master bedroom and the second master bedroom as well. I mean, look at the grand space. Look at the sofa. I mean, it has so much space. It's a 4-seater sofa. In fact, 5 people can come here. Grand space, and also it comes with this beautiful walk-in wardrobe and a glass facade washroom. I mean, this is something that I will definitely choose if I had that kind of a budget, and I think this is brilliantly done. Well, now it is time for you to see the balcony. Are you ready for it? No, you're not. Well, look at this grand balcony, and I think this is the best part of this flat as well. I mean, the space is amazing. I mean, I would definitely choose this flat because of the balcony and because of the space. Now you might have a question in mind that why should I invest and buy here at Jade County? Well, let me tell you and give you 5 major reasons. The first one is planning. The entire project revolves around landscaping instead of roads. The second one is density. 9 towers across 13 acres create a more open layout than many high-density developments. The third is location. Delhi-Meerut Expressway continues to improve connectivity. The fourth is builder reputation. County Group has already recognizable project portfolio across Delhi NCR. The fifth one is identity. Projects become landmarks when people remember one defining feature. For Jade County, that is the elevated green podium and the cascading pool. And if I had to summarize Jade County in one line, I would say that it is not trying to compete itself with the ordinary apartments nearby. Rather, it has set itself apart and has created itself as a destination in Wave City. And if you want to know more about this project, Jade County at Wave City, then you should contact House Edge Consulting on 875,000-5008, or you can WhatsApp us on the same number. And well, this was all about this project. We will meet you in the next project. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video. This was your host and host Khushi with camera person Bhavna signing off.